Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can set work profile on Android. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. And you can see there are a bunch of features you can use. Now scroll down towards the bottom of the screen and locate Google Accounts section. Once you find it, open it and your Google profile will be displayed. Here, scroll down towards bottom, tap on Setup and Restore, and you can see that the work profile feature is available at the end of the list. Access it and it will show some of the instructions or precautions. Here, tap on Next and the code scanner will be launched. You can either scan the code or just enter its credentials manually by selecting this embed. And that's how you can set work profile on Android. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.